Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off profile information on content on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go up here, you will click here on this picture and it's going to show for you a window like this. Then you just click here on settings and you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you a window like this, and you click here on visibility. Then you come to next window here, then you just come here to uh, representing your organization and interests. Then you come here to profile information on content. You will click here on this sign or this color, and like we say color, it's gone. That's my profile information on content, it's turned off now. I wish you I get it. That's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.